Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video I'm going to show you on how to make puff puff. This method is so easy and simple to make. But before we start, let me introduce you to the ingredients. Here we'll be using 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of warm water, 1/4 cup of sugar, half tablespoon of active yeast, 1/4 cup of powdered milk, 1 egg, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. But you can equally use nutmeg, but I prefer the flavor and taste of cinnamon in my puff puff. You can check the description box for the full ingredients. Into our mixing bowl, we are going to add in the flour, sugar, yeast, salt, and cinnamon. These are the dry ingredients. Going to mix everything together for them to combine very well. Next is our wet ingredients. I'm going to add in the egg and the liquid. Here I mixed the powdered milk with the warm water before adding it. I'm going to use my hand to mix everything together for them to combine very well. And after mixing it, you're going to get a consistency that is not too watery or too thick. Here I'm going to cover it and allow it to sit for 45 minutes before frying. Before you start frying, make sure that the oil is hot before you start frying. Use your hand and scoop it into the hot oil. If the oil is not hot, the puff puff is going to sink in the pot, and then the shape is not going to form very well. But if the oil is hot, once you scoop it inside the pot, it's going to bounce back and float on top of the oil. That is very important because it's usually where most people make mistake while frying the puff puff, that it finally don't turn out very well as they want. Then be very watchful and mindful while frying, and turn over to the next side for the both sides to fry and cook very well. After frying, you can scoop it out using your frying spoon and allow the oil to drain out. This is how you are going to continue with the remaining batches until you finish frying all your puff puff. If you have any questions to ask me, you can ask me the question in the comment section so that I can answer you. If there is any confusion or any question that you have, you can ask. At the end of making this puff puff, I was able to get 25 pieces of puff puff from 2 cups of flour. Can you see? It's something you can actually make for your family, or if you are having a party or anything, or if you want to give someone a box of puff puff. It is more affordable, easy, and simple to make. Please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. I'm going to be creating more content that you are going to love. This is the outcome of our puff puff. Can you see how they are looking so yummy and delicious? Guys, do try this. Thank you for watching. Bye.